Okay, we're now in a position whereby we can finalise exercise 6.6 question 3 by completing part C. Again, a heat pump system. We're given the position of one component and we're told in this case the direction of the refrigerant is in a clockwise sense. Now the expansion valve from the previous questions, which is located in position 3, is a component that decreases the temperature of the refrigerant before sending it back to the start of the cycle, where a component takes energy in to the refrigerant, and of course that component is the evaporator. The evaporator then sends the refrigerant to component 1, but of course that refrigerant is at an insufficient temperature, and so component 1 must be the compressor. Once the refrigerant has went through the compressor, it can then be pumped across to component 2, which of course is really the opposite of the evaporator. So instead of taking energy into the system, component 2 must be taking energy out of the refrigerant, and that component is of course the condenser, which is taking energy out of the refrigerant. After the condenser, of course, that refrigerant is then pumped back to the expansion valve for that temperature to decrease again, and pumped across the evaporator, and the cycle can again continue as many times as necessary.